We are in the thick of winter season here in New Zealand, and I am also in the thick of a very busy, just general sort of life season at the moment. And I'm sure all of you who have got busy jobs or, are parenting while working, especially if you are a single parent like me and you've still got kids at home and you're working full time, just everything can seem very, very busy in certain seasons. And for me, this is one of them at the moment. I host international students along with my own teenage daughter, and it can just feel really, really busy at times, especially when you're caring for, somebody else's child and having to keep them safe and looking after their general well-being. So we have actually just said goodbye to one of our lovely Swiss students, and she got on the plane yesterday. And then in another couple of weeks, I have two other students that will be coming to live with us, one for a year and one for 6 months. So it's been a really wonderful opportunity for us as a family to just have, different cultures and languages living with us. And certainly at this age where, my own child is 17 years old, it's been really lovely for her to just be on a friendship level with them. I did used to host students 10 years ago and up until pre-COVID, so that was quite a different sort of season for me because my kids were a lot younger. But yeah, it's been a busy couple of weeks just farewelling my Swiss student, and today I just really realised that I needed to get stuck into some deep cleaning. And, this pretty much all falls on me. I'm a single parent. I have been for many, many years, and I don't have a cleaner that comes in each week. I would love to, but I just can't justify that cost at the moment. So today I just thought I'm going to just concentrate on one room, one space. And for those of you who are maybe feeling a little bit overwhelmed with even where to start, this is a really sort of big recommendation of mine, is to just choose one space. It doesn't even have to be a big space like the lounge that I'm doing. You could choose a cupboard or, just a corner of one of your rooms that needs to be cleaned or decluttered or sorted out, organised, and just start there. It's definitely a lot more doable and feels so much less overwhelming if you just start in one space. I thought, today I'll do a video cleaning my whole house, but my brain just doesn't really work like that, and I find it just much more doable if I can just look at one space and think, okay, I'm just going to try and make a difference in this space, and then I can move on to somewhere else. So I started with taking my curtains down. They have gone into the wash, and then I'm just moving around some of this furniture. I got this really cute little hutch. It's a bit shorter than what I thought it was going to be, but it's got a very sort of country cottage look to it, and it is just pine. It's stained a very sort of orangey colour that they are traditionally stained like. But I think at some point I will sand it back and take it down to its raw wood. And if you would like to see me do that little makeover, then let me know, and I will show you, what I do with it, end up doing with it. But it's super, super cute, and I will try and think of some ideas to style it. But I probably do need to go thrifting and maybe just have a look in some of the secondhand, op shop type stores to find some little pieces to put onto that new little hutch. But it's super, super cute, and I'm really happy with it. I just got it off Marketplace. I think I paid maybe $50 with it. So yeah, really, really happy with that. And I'm just going to be moving my couches around now, pulling anything out from underneath that has found its way under there, and just give it a good vacuum on the floor and along the skirting boards, and just wipe those over as well. It desperately needed for this to be done. One of the things I have noticed in myself since I've started decluttering more and more in my home is just how it really brings on this feeling and this sense of, creativity and that you're wanting to actually make your home and your space, look and feel nice. And I think that is probably, a fairly sensible or reasonable side effect of having decluttering, and organising and cleaning in our spaces, is that we then have the sort of brain width and the space in our minds to actually become more creative. But one of the things that I would love to do in my home, and definitely in this lounge area, because as you can see, I have two very big blank white walls, and I would love to do some kind of paneling in here, I think. But one of the things that I struggle with is just real decision paralysis. I don't know if anyone else can understand what I'm meaning here, but for example, if you put in front of me two colours and they were, really lovely colours that I thought were really, really nice and easily could put up onto the wall, or you put in front of me two, different coloured towels and I really loved both of those colours, I find it really, really difficult to make a decision on what I would want to choose. So I see beautiful homes and sort of cottagey paneling with lovely colours on, different social media platforms. And I just cannot get to the point where I think, oh, okay, that's the one that I would choose. Or, this is the type of paneling that I would choose. So I don't know. I feel a little bit stuck. Sometimes I think it's just actually making that first move, that first choice or decision, and then maybe the rest of it feels a little bit more easy. But yeah, I would love to just put some paneling in different areas of my home, including along the staircase possibly as well, and just make it feel a little bit more homely and comfortable and just not so blank in these, big, large white spaces that I have in my home. My curtains are up now, all newly fresh and washed and smelling really lovely. That's one nice thing about putting your drapes into the washing machine, is it does make your house smell lovely once you hand them back up again. But I'm just finally going to be putting back up onto this wall this old antique wooden sieve, I think it is, like a dirt sieve, and it's just a really beautiful piece of decoration that I've had on my wall. You can, put like a wreath around it, or little trinkets or plants actually on the inside of it. But I think it will do quite nicely on this part of my wall. So I'm just going to get it at the right height and center it here, and possibly, put something on it if I find something appropriate in the future. Thank you so much for joining me today for this deeper clean in my lounge. I hope it inspires you to just do something in your own home. Have a really blessed week, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.